With 1 in 10 adults battling depression and 1 in 4 youth currently being treated for a mental health diagnosis, mental health is fast becoming one of the top challenges for our society. Harvard Alumni for Mental Health was created in 2014 by a group of alumni and became a nonprofit in 2017. Our team of volunteers organizes weekly events to lower the stigma associated with mental illness through community programs.
In 2021, HAMH launched the Advocacy Series, a series devoted to providing a platform for members of the community to share their experiences with mental health diagnoses. Since its inception, we've hosted events such as ADHD in Me, OCD in Me, and Schizoaffective Disorder in Me. 95% of participants rated these events with 4 or more stars.
In today's mental health crisis, access to care is of primary concern to our board. We've worked really hard to facilitate access to mental health care for our members, and in 2023, we're proud to offer our members a network of providers who have pledged to offer services at a more affordable rate for our members.
We have created a network of multicultural providers and mental health ambassadors who will serve the global community of Harvard alumni in their languages.
Since the launch of the Buddy system, we've connected dozens of alumni facing loneliness with other alum in their community.
To me, volunteering at HAMH means helping people find mental tranquility and happiness, and equipping these people with the tools to help other people, other communities, and future generations find that same mental peace.
In 2022, more than 2,000 alumni have rallied to the cause of mental health and participated in our events and regional initiatives.
90% of our funding comes from donations. Please help us continue to serve our alumni with their mental health needs.
Thank you for your support. We greatly appreciate it.